Top 5 Best Rock Climbing Ropes. Best Rock Climbing Ropes for Beginners. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned professional, having reliable safety gear for your next rock climbing expedition is a necessity. We've included those designed for use in several different environments, allowing you to find the one that best fits your needs. All of these dynamic choices are suitable for lead climbing and vary in width, chemical treatment, and bi-color patterning. When users buy our independently chosen editorial picks, we may earn commissions to help fund the review parks. Best belay devices. Best belay devices for climbing rock walls. Number 1 Black Diamond 9.9mm.
Howick, Climbing Category Director at Black Diamond, and I am psyched to introduce our new line of dynamic climbing ropes. Our goal was to provide a clean and simple line of ropes that can take you from the gym all the way into the alpine. We're offering a tight selection of diameters and treatments that each aligns with a specific climbing use so we can give every climber the right rope for any mission. And to keep things simple, we've named our ropes by diameter, since that's the way we as climbers talk about ropes. We aim to find the perfect balance between weight, durability, and handling, so we use the unique combination of weave and sheath that's merged to create a cord that's supple, knots easily, and feeds smoothly through your belay device, but still holds up to day in, day out use. The Black Diamond rope lineup utilizes two different sheath constructions. We have our regular sheath, which is a 2/2 weave built to withstand everyday use, and our endurance sheath, which is a 1/1 weave with more sheath material resulting in a more abrasion-resistant cord. Some of our ropes also come dry treated. We call it full dry because both the core and the sheath are dry treated, which means they are protected against weather from the inside out. All Black Diamond ropes also feature a prominent middle marker. Our rope lineup covers the majority of a climber's needs. The 9.9 is built for year-round rock climbing and has a thick diameter and a regular sheath for durability and great handling, making it ideal for day in, day out use. The 9.9 comes in 60 and 70 meter lengths. We also offer a 9.9 gym rope with the regular sheath that's available in 35 and 40 meter lengths, which are the ideal lengths for most indoor walls. Our 9.6 balances our highly durable and abrasion-resistant endurance sheath with a versatile diameter that can take you from red point burns at the crag to multi-pitches in the valley. The 9.6 is also available with our full dry treatment, meaning both the core and sheath are dry treated, protecting the rope from the inside out. You can get the 9.6 in 60 and 70 meter lengths. The 9.2 is the lightest of our single ropes and is perfect for hard climbing when weight matters. The 9.2 features our endurance sheath and is also available with a full dry treatment, making it great for ice climbing as well. The 9.2 comes in 70 and 80 meter lengths. We also offer our 7/8 half rope, which is designed to be used in pairs on alpine, ice, or multi-pitch climbing objectives. The 7/8 half rope comes in a 70 meter length with our burly endurance sheath and full dry treatment, making it durable and weather resistant. And our 7/8 glacier rope is built specifically for glacial travel. This is a 30 meter half rope ideal for crevasse terrain, rappels, and mountain travel, and features our full dry treatment and our durable endurance sheath. One of the most important tools in climbing is the cord that ties you and your partner together. That's why we're proud to introduce Black Diamond Dynamic Ropes, designed and engineered to take you wherever you want to go climb.
Number 2 12-strand arborist climbing. Crazy Sail. This is half-inch 12-strand polyester climbing line by Blue Ox Rope. With an average tensile strength of 8,000 pounds, this line is perfect for your next arborist tree climbing job. A flexible line with good knot retention. High resistant to abrasion, milking, sunlight and twisting. Number 3 Parent Lab Outdoor Climbing.
Today's video, I'm going to give you a quick review of my newest climbing rope. Now, why would you want a climbing rope? Well, if you want bigger biceps, a bigger back, stronger grip, and bigger forearms, then you definitely need to include rope climbing in your exercise routine. Now, a little bit about this rope. This rope can hold up to 300 pounds and comes in 4 different sizes: 15 feet, 20 feet, 25, and 30 feet. And it has a girth or a diameter of 1.5 inches, okay? And it has heat shrink end caps, so it's going to prevent fraying. And this is different than a battle rope grip. This one is easier to grip than a battle rope, and that's good because you're going to be climbing up and down, so you want to make sure you have a secure grip. This is what the top of the climbing rope looks like. You have a loop on this end, then you have the option to also get it with a hook, just like this one, And on this end, we have some heat shrinking to prevent any fraying and to make sure that the loop stays secure over here. Now, the reason I selected a rope with a hook is because now this gives me more options. If I have an anchor kit, I can simply hang this from the anchor kit. And then if I just have a hook, I can use the hook just like this one to either use this hook, or I have the option to just put it through the loop like that and use it this way. You can also swing this around the pull-up bar and then just loop it through itself so that you can use some rope climb. So there you have it, guys. That's just a quick review of my newest climbing rope. It's going to give you a stronger grip, bigger forearms, bigger biceps, and a stronger back.
Number 4 Key Part Climbing Rope. Crazy Sail. Number 5 Pelican Rope Tree Viper. Crazy Sail.
This radical new design features almost zero milking. It is a 24-strand arborist climbing rope available in 4 different sizes. The firm 11.8 diameter has an exceptional feel and reduces hand cramps. You can expect extraordinary performance for single rope and double rope techniques. It is designed specifically for rigorous climbing and available with factory tie-dye splices. We built the Tree Viper to stay firm and flexible for optimal performance in all climbing hardware and hitches. We've been building rope in the US for over 40 years. This is the Tree Viper, and we're the most trusted name in rope. Climb with confidence.